So in this screencast, I'm going to discuss how the structure of my code and tests aligns with the needs of shareholders. Uh, so, so, oh, the shareholders will need the ability to add replies to answers so that they can get further clarification, and that's what my replies functionality is meant to do. As you can see here, um, as you can see here with I have a class for individual replies, and getters and setters for all their important variables, and with my replies class, I can group each reply into a list, so that my discussion board page can effectively handle them and create, update and delete replies as required by any potential users. And similarly, the users will want to add reviews to questions and answers to assess their quality and make things better for their fellow users. And so my code follows a similar structure for those by having a a class for individual reviews, and then having a list of those reviews to handle them effectively, making credit capabilities more feasible. And similarly, the uh the shareholders in question will also need the ability to create staff accounts with special privileges. And so that's why I have the gave them the ability to first set up the staff account page, and then actually access it through here, where they can access the ability to message other users, add reviews to questions and answers, and to flag each question and answer for review. And here are my three test beds. Uh, this one tests the replies capabilities. This one is for testing out the privileges of my staff, and this one is for testing out the reviews capabilities, making sure that all each and every one of these functionalities work for all my users. And this sequence diagram helps go into more detail. As you can see, the discussion board, where the user will actually access many of these functions. Um, each will first go to the discussion board validator to make sure that the user is only putting the most valid of reviews and replies, and then going into the discussion board DAO, where most of the actual work happens in main in maintaining the reviews and replies into the database. And as a result, when my TP3 tests these capabilities, um, most of these tests go to here. And of course they also rely on the review and reviews classes that I created, as well as the reply and reply is class, as you can see from the arrows. And also my W3 uh my HW3 testbed works similarly, um taking advantage of the DAO to test each of the replies capabilities. And my W and my HW 4 testbed also relies on the DAO to test out uh, uh the the flagging capabilities for questions and answers, as well as the reviews functions. And it also relies on the messages DAO that one of my teammates implemented to test the ability for the staff to send messages amongst one another. So as you can see, the structure of the code I have implemented ensures that ensures that users can use replies to get clarifications for answers, review questions and answers to make sure that uh, that that everything is of the best of quality, and that staff members can flag questions and answers for review, review questions and answers to assess their interactions between users, and uh, message one another to transfer information quickly and effectively.